Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Scribble in settings so handwriting converts immediately. Open Notes and create a new note. Pick a pen tool and thickness so your strokes behave predictably. Begin writing directly in the note area. Don't tap text boxes first. As you write, watch words convert. This gives instant feedback so you can change pressure or speed. Once you see conversion, make sure to practice a few short words to tune the recognition before moving to longer sentences. You write naturally and pause briefly between words so the system segments text correctly. That pause improves accuracy. Once text appears, tap any word to show selection handles for moving or deleting. This lets you refine layout without switching tools. If something's wrong, use built-in gestures. Scratch out to delete, circle to select, and then use the on-screen keyboard or pencil to overwrite. As you do these edits, notice how selection and gestures speed up cleanup and preserve your thought flow. You finish by refining layout and exporting. Tap and hold to convert handwritten shapes, then use Share to PDF or copy text into another app. If words aren't recognized, slow your strokes slightly and retry. Inconsistent pressure or very fast writing causes misreads. Once done, toggle Scribble off and on in settings as a quick reset and restart notes if problems persist. That reset often clears hiccups. Otherwise, adjust pen thickness and practice a few controlled words to improve reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.